So let me show you how to create your My Summer project. That's under word processing, technology 12-year-olds, word processing. That's where you can find it. So as the screenshot shows, this is how you need to format it. So first you need to have your text in Microsoft Word typed up and then do the formatting job. So let me show you how to do that. So let's open up Microsoft Word, press Windows, and then press W, press Enter to open up Microsoft Word. And now that we're in Word, you need to type up your text. So let's say, My Full Break by Mr. Kubesh. And then you type about what you did. I did a lot of things over the break period. So I'm going to copy this one sentence just so that I have some content there. So I've got a whole bunch of paragraphs. Please do split your text into paragraphs as you would for your English classes. Same rules apply all over the place. Now that you have the text, we'll get the picture in later. Now, let's start formatting. So, you need to change the layout to A4 orientation landscape. Okay? You can see in these green callouts what the things are that you need to do. So, layout. So layout, size, make sure the size set to A4, which is the European standard, as opposed to the letter, which is the US standard paper size. Orientation, set it to landscape. Okay. Secondly, you need to set the page border. So where do I do that? That's under Design. In the Design tab, the very last icon where it says Page Borders. And now you can either choose one of these or choose one of the artsy ones, and then you change the width and change its color, apply either to the whole document or just one section, either to the top, bottom, or all four sides. I'm just going to apply it to all four, top, bottom, left, right side. Then, so we're done with this, then you need to format the title as title. So where it says My Full Break, I'm going to select that, shift into down arrow, and I'm going to, in the Home tab, under Styles, I'm going to set the style to title. Now, sorry, Control Z to undo that. Now, the subtitle, where it says by Mr. Kubesh, I'm going to set that to the subtitle. And notice that it needs to be in the middle. So the text alignment needs to be set to middle, equilibrium, Latin for middle, Control E. Yeah, and then same thing on this line, Control E. Okay, got that. Now the third thing I need to do is that I need to do the two-column layout. So I'm going to select the paragraphs, hold the Shift key, the down arrow, and now under Layout, Columns 2. So done with that. Now I need to get a black and white grayscale image, anything pertinent to what I wrote about in the document. So insert, there's icons, they're all black and white, so we can probably go there and see if there's any icons. So let's say I was in Venice over the break. Let's see if there's anything for Venice. Well, let's look at the sea. Maybe there's going to be some sea, because there's sea there too. So yeah, by the sea, and we had some seafood. And yeah, so let's try inserting these two in there. Now you need to set the layout option to square, so you can move it around the document to both of those pics. Yeah, so you can move them around, you can resize them, shift and the up arrow, shift and the down arrow, make them bigger, make them smaller, all using the keyboard. If you just use the arrows, the directional arrows up, down, left, right, for moving the picture, it's very convenient, better than using the mouse. So you've got the pictures in, got this picture in, excellent. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to apply a design theme. So let's do just that. So that's under Design, And there's the different design themes you can choose from. If you just mouse over the different themes here, it shows you a preview of it. So say I like this one, and now you can fine tune it by changing the font combination. There's some good fonts that work well together, such as this one. But now let's make sure that it didn't overflow to the second page. It did not, but if it does, you press the delete button, the backspace button, or you change the font to something smaller, or you can modify these borders. So let's see. Any of these would overflow? Yes, this one would overflow. So let me show you how to do that if this happens. So there's different things you can do with this. One thing is that you can change the size, the font size. So Control A, Control Shift, and less than. Okay, that worked pretty well. But if you don't want the font size to be smaller, you can always play around with the margins as well. So you can probably here drag this up. It's the so-called ruler. And drag this up. Yeah, was that helpful? You probably need to drag this guy down. And if you don't see the so-called ruler on the side and the top, you need to click under View and then make sure the ruler's turned on. Okay? And I'm done. The last thing I want to do is I want to print it as PDF, so I want to change Control P to print and then Microsoft Print to PDF, save it as a PDF. That'll save it as PDF file. See, I'll ask you where to save it, give it a meaningful file name, save it as PDF document, and then you can email it to me as an attachment. That's all.